In this video, we'll cover the invoicing page. This is your command center for everything related to billing. At the top, you have your invoice settings. Here you can upload your company logo, set your default price per appointment, and define your company details like name, address, and contact info, which will appear on every invoice that is generated. You can also manage your default tax rates like GST, HST, or state tax, and set the starting number for your invoice sequence. All invoices come in the format of INV dash and a number. You can set the next number here, and the invoice generation will automatically create invoices in the subsequent numbers. Make sure to save your changes. Below the settings, you have a table of all generated invoices. Every invoice you create, whether automatically from the bookings board or manually, will appear here. You can search for a specific invoice, and for each one, you have actions to edit, send via email, or print to a PDF. This makes tracking your billing simple and efficient, keeping all your financial documents organized in one place. Also, once you set your company name and logo here, it will show up on the top of all public booking pages you share with your clients.